quarter mile, use the right lane to take the I-295 south ramp to St. Augustine. Use the right lane to take the I-295 south ramp.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize